Hi, I'm Yash, and today I'll be demoing my submission for the project Build Your Own World. I did this project with my partner Lewis, who's not in this video, but I will be demoing it anyway. So we can start by running the engine. And I will note that this is a very minimalistic implementation. We just did what was required, but we did get a full score. So to start a new game, I press the letter N. You can see my keyboard in the corner of my screen. And let's say a random C, let's say 8. And then S to create the game. We have our new game. Now, as I move my mouse around, you can see that uh, near this corner of the screen, it displays what kind of tile I am on. So now I'm on a wall tile, here I'm on a floor tile, and here there's nothing. So, and now I can use the WASD keys to move my character forward, up, down, left, or right. So let's get it to this rectangular room. All right. Uh, we also implemented a primary feature, which was to only show a square of light around the character at a given instant, which I can activate by pressing the key Y. So this is technically called the line of sight feature in the spec, it but again, this is a very minimalistic implementation, so we just showed a square of light around the character instead. And if you press Y again, it goes back to showing the whole world. Now I can quit my game by pressing colon and Q, and our game has been saved. Now to load the game again, just a second, I press the letter L, and it will bring the game to exactly the same state as it was before and allow me to play it again. That little replay that you saw was not intentional, but I think it's also a primary feature. So we just discovered we implemented it by accident. So now I can still move my character. I can still enable the line of sight feature or disable it. And our secondary feature was that you could change the name that was displayed in this corner. So how we did that was by pressing the key K and then typing the name we want. Let's say I type my name and then pressing the dot character to like tell the system that we're done inputting the name and you can save it. So my name now appears here and we can still move. Now I can quit again and then load again. And then you see my name is still appearing to be the same and my character is again in the same position. And I can quit this to show you how our algorithm generates random rooms each and every time the program is run. So now let's do N with, let's say, the key 56789 and then S to generate the game. This is completely different from what it was before. Now let's create one more. So this was with the seed 8484. As you can see, the world is pretty different and I can still move and do, and all my features still work. Like I can again change my name to like this time my partner's name, let's say. Yeah. So you can see my partner's name appearing now. And yeah. So overall, I would say that this is a pretty minimalistic implementation. We just did what was required. And you may want to do so as well if, say, you have other things to do and want to save time. But yeah, thank you for watching my demo.